Afghan Women's National Team gi member Nupi ama Taliban na Mangak kaktuna Kakhre. Afghan Junior Women's National Volleyball Team gi Nupi member ama Taliban militant singna Mangak kaktuna Kakhre haina masak maming phongdok deba team madugi coach amana agency da phongdokre. Paumi singa unakiba amada coach aduna hai chatliba October tha sigi anganba sarukta Mahajabin Hakimi kaubi Nupi player adu Taliban militant singna hatkhe. Laikhidrabi volleyball player aduge imung manungda thogdok adugi matangda miyamda phongdoklabadi makhoibusu hatkani haina militant sing aduna akanba wafam thamkhibadagi thogdok adugi matangda miyamna ngasi phauba khangnadana leirakhibani haibu wafamsu masak maming onthoklabi Suraya Fazali kaubi coach aduna phongdokhe. Laikhidrabi Mahajabin Hakini ase Kabul Municipality Volleyball Club kidamak sanarambane Ashraf Ghani gi lengak leiringai Sanaram labasu Taliban yanuba regime lakpadagi sanabagi thabak khudingmak thadokhrabani haikhe. Laikhidrabi player adu volleyball club adugi star player singi manungdasu amane mahakpu hatok pikhraba matung numit khara leiraga player adugi kakthatkraba makok manba photograph sing social media da miyamna thengnarakhe. Makok yaugdraba I tairaba mahakki mangak adusu social media da viral oikhe. Haukiba August thada Taliban na Kabul khudum chandringai mamangda volleyball team adugi player ani khakte Afghanistan thadoktuna atopa laibak singda chatkrabani. Hauzik volleyball club adugi maraibak thiraba nupi player kaya marumsu thangnaba mikupta kari thoklagadagi haiba tamba ngamdana wana punsi leli haina coach aduna makha na phongdokhe. Taliban suicide bomber singi imung singda $113 firol amasung lampi khre. Hanagi Afghan government amasung madugi nongsup laibaki khongbu singi mayokta sangsinkiba landa sikiba suicide bomber singbu Taliban na thagat khre amasung makhoigi imung manung singda sen pi khre amasung lampi na bagi wasakre haina movement asigi interior ministry na statement ama thokre. United States na specially designated global terrorist ama oina hatpa ngambada $1 billion tara pigani haina US na laukhthokiba Taliban government ki acting Interior Minister ama oiriba Sirajuddin Haqqani na Kabul da laiba Intercontinental Hotel da pangthokpa thoram amada imung manung sing adu unakhe. Hairiba hotel adumak 2018 da suicide bomber singna pandam thamkhibane. Mahaki warol da Interior Minister aduna Matir Singh amasung Mujahidin gi kathokpa sing amasung jihad adubu thagatki amasung makhoibu Islam amasung laibak asigi athoba sing haina kaukhe. Suicide bomber singi imung manung singda firol lising tara Afghani $113 pikhre amasung lamgi plot singsu pigani haikre haina ministry gi wangangloi Kari Sayed Khostina haikhe. US ka khusamnaba laibak sing amasung makhoina sawatpa Afghanistan government ka sokna khiba lana duda khwaidagi mi siba suicide attack khara chathabani haina nongsup ki intelligence service singna maran siriba Haqqani network aduge makok oina Sirajuddin Haqqani na mahake apokpa mapa Jalaluddin Haqqani gi mahut oina puhokhibane. Haqqani network hairibase Taliban ga affiliate tawba group amane.